Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, friends, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Today's topic, I'm going to cover the COVID times and their impact, rather disastrous impact on hotel and restaurant industry. Before getting into it, let me once again introduce myself. I am Shailesh Falsungia, father of a superboy, a hotelier since 1988, Taj veteran, Amazon #1 best-selling author, a steward transformed into a managing director, founder of Mellon Hospitality Private Limited. Now, what do you understand by disastrous impact? Last year, when we went under the COVID times, the industry was trying to recover from the month of July, August, September, October, November, December. Gradually, the graphs were going upwards, the trends were showing upwards. But now, again from the March onwards or the early April onwards, we started getting higher number of cases starting from the Maharashtra, and gradually it has given us times which can be remembered ever after. When it comes to the hotel industry, when it comes to the restaurant industry, both the industries, restaurant as well as the hotel industry, have got a huge impact in terms of capital investments. Since the investments are on the higher side, whether you rent a property or you do a property by yourself or you own a property, the capital is always involved. Not capital, huge capital is involved. Now this capital comes in the form of equity or debt. If you have raised your own funds through your own sources, through your savings, the cost is quite higher. The cost of equity is higher than the debts. So if you have invested your own savings, then it's rather more risk. And if you have gone with the debt part of it, obviously you have to do the repayment part, the interest part. So you are suffering very badly in terms of capital, the capital which you have already invested. Point number one. Point number two, the labor. Since our industry is labor intensive, managing them is a great issue. Having them, pampering them, keeping them with you is a huge issue, because if we are not making money, if there is no business, keeping the hotel people or keeping the hotel staff with you, it is not that easy, because it is most of the times the production staff, the service staff, they travel from outside. Most of them come from the northern part of India. They reside in your property, or you have taken a space on rent for them to accommodate, giving them 3-4 times food, maintaining them. It's a huge task, and it is not about maintaining one or two, it is maintaining the entire team. So it becomes labor intensive. The cost is on your head, the rentals, the maintenance cost is going on, the wage bill is also going on. Even if you are keeping them, you will have to pay them something. You cannot give them zero salary, or you cannot keep them by giving nothing. The government licenses and levises are going on up and running. Your light bills are running. Even if you are not operating, you have to pay the bills. You have to maintain the premises. The security thing has to be maintained. So lots of cost is already running. You take it from me in writing. By the time we recover, or by the time we get into the act, or by the time we get into the operations, especially the restaurant operators or restaurant owners who have rented out the property, they will be out of business. It is really very difficult now. Now when it comes to coping up from these times, it's going to give us a tough time. This covers the negative impact of the COVID. Now if you look at positively, the entire industry had bounced back when we came back in July, August. We actually suffered during the last year, February, March, April, May, June, but we started recovering, and it took us 3, 4, 5 months to recover, and we were the graphs were going up. So however, let us not get demoral. We as an industry have always stood by it, stood by the bad times. We are the guest people, and we will definitely work out the midway. And there are positives which have also happened. We have learned a lot from this pandemic. So let us, keep ourselves strong in these bad times. The times will never stay same, and we will definitely bounce back. Once again, winding up, I'm Shailesh Valsunge, father of a superboy, hotelier since 1988, Taj veteran, Amazon #1 best-selling author, a steward transformed into a managing director, founder of Manor Hospitality Private Limited. If you like my video, say like, share it with the industry people. I will see you back in my next video. Stay healthy. Don't forget to keep 2 गज की दूरी, wear your mask, follow the protocols, take care of yourself, take care of your family.